Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Open the Pixel app, click the import button from the gallery, select the image, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, click the import button, go to the gallery, select the image, remove the background, click the eraser color, enable button on, click the sticker, select the sticker, click the quotation button, select the quotation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.